Sell. Sell, mate. Sell. I don't see a fucking sell on there. Calm down, it's taking a turn, mate. How do you see a sell? How do you see the sell? Because I see a buy, mate. Kind of, yeah. Should have left my fucking buy on. Oh yeah. It's 26. 26 from the one from yesterday. That's cool. Hmm. So, hmm.
With Monday.com's intuitive work management platform, you have the power. Not IT, not admins. You're in charge.
नहीं, आज कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है. द गोल्ड विल मूव इन द डायरेक्शन इट इज़ मूविंग. कोई ऐसा वॉलेटाइल मूव नहीं देखने को मिलेगा तुम्हें गोल्ड के अंदर. क्या था वो? GBP AUD. सर GBP AUD डेली टाइम फ्रेम के ऊपर आपको प्रॉपरली बेयरिश दिखाई दे रहा है. यू कैन प्लान अ स्विंग एंट्री इन GBP AUD. इवन आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट टारगेट कैन बी दिस मच लॉन्ग. 1.97711518 वटेवर जितना भी है ये एक काफ़ी अच्छी स्विंग एंट्री बन रही है. इस स्विंग हाई के ऊपर आप अपना स्टॉप लॉस प्लेस करके लॉन्ग टाइम तक होल्ड कर सकते हैं. और पहला टारगेट आपका रहना चाहिए टिल 2.02978, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक जोन है जहाँ से प्रीवियस में प्राइस ने बाइंग ले रखी है. इसको जितना मूव करना था यहाँ से धीरे धीरे करके ले चुका है. अब ये सेलिंग लेगा. पहला टारगेट 2.02978 एंड देन अनदर टारगेट 1.95045. ठीक है. कह रहा है प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड नहीं ले पाता, लॉस वाली ट्रेड ले लेता हूँ. ये क्या बात हुई? सर गोल्ड में मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ही तो बड़ा बन रहा था, इसीलिए तो मैंने ये ट्रेड नहीं लिया. मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो स्टॉप लॉस देखो 45 पे बनना चाहिए. अब आपकी एंट्री कहाँ पर है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप देख लीजिए. 45 ही बनता है लॉस का, सॉरी SL के लिए. कहाँ ले लिया मिस्टर? अभी तो हमारा काउंट चल रहा है. अभी तो चैलेंज ही पूरा नहीं हुआ है iPhone 17 का, और अभी तो इतनी भीड़ लगी पड़ी है. महीने की वेटिंग है यहाँ दुबई में. सादिक्स पहला टारगेट तुम्हारा 54 पे रहेगा एंड देन होल्ड इट टिल 56 तक निकलेगा. ये जाएगा ये 56 पे. दवांशु टुक द एंट्री. कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू डेम. ऑलरेडी प्राइस यहाँ से आपको 40 पिप्स का मूव दे चुका है फ्रॉम 48 टू 51. स्टॉप लॉस इसका 45 पे बनता है. आपकी एंट्री कहाँ पर है उस अकॉर्डिंग देख लीजिए. किसी भी स्विंग नीचे, किसी भी इन कैंडल्स के नीचे रख लीजिए. अब तो स्टॉप लॉस 56 का मैक्सिमली मैं टारगेट एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ. जो ऑलरेडी ट्रेड में है वेल एंड गुड, जो नहीं है मेरी तरह क्या कर सकते हैं. निकल गया, इसके अंदर कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर अ गुड कन्फर्मेशन, बट कन्फर्मेशन से पहले प्राइस ने बाउंस दे दिया. That's a hotel, Mr. Mayuresh. It's 500, it's 450, 500 AED a day. $150 डन भी कर लिया. क्या बात है. टारगेट 56 का है जी. फर्स्ट टारगेट आपका 54. I could not plan this trade, guys. मुझे प्रॉपर एंट्री नहीं मिली. क्या इतने सारे लॉस में है मिस्टर अमान? कहाँ से सेल करके बैठे हो? 750 डन. क्या बात है जी. 50 पिप्स फ्रॉम द एंट्री. क्या बात है जी, बहुत बढ़िया. ये देख लो, इनको देख लो. मैं लेवल्स बता रही हूँ, ये लोग ट्रेड प्लान करके बैठे हैं. एंड आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग कि मुझे एक एंट्री मिल जाए, एक कंफर्मेशन मिल जाए. मेरा स्टॉप लॉस बहुत ही बड़ा था भाई उस टाइम पे, तो आई कुड नॉट प्लान द एंट्री. आपने 47 से लिया है, अच्छी बात है. 47 से 51 का 40 पिप्स दे ही गया है. बढ़िया है मिस्टर हर्ष. BTC तो जी बेरिश है. जो भी राइजेस मिल रहे हैं आपको, आप प्लान कर लीजिए अपनी एंट्री यहाँ से मिलेगी। अब एक सेलिंग की एंट्री फ्रॉम 116,728 BTC आपको बेरिश दिखाई दे सकता है। टिल व्हाट लेवल्स? टिल दिस 115 to 78.24। अब ये जितना राइज देती है ये ग्रीन कैंडल, यहाँ पर आपकी एंट्री बन सकती है। इस स्विंग हाई के ऊपर आपका स्टॉप लॉस बनेगा। ये जो विक है इसके ऊपर अपना स्टॉप लॉस बना सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू एक्सनेस। एक राइज दे रहा है, सेलिंग प्लान कर सकते हो, एक बढ़िया सी सेलिंग। अपना ये इथीरियम भी फुल ऑन बेरिश है। इथीरियम का डेली टाइम फ्रेम पर एक स्विंग बनता था, ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको स्ट्रीम में बता दिया था। अब तो निकल चुका है, प्राइस नीचे आ गया, स्टॉप लॉस इसके ऊपर बनता था 127 में। अच्छा प्रजापति जी, ओके गुड। यस राहुल, ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू लॉस यू विल गेट अ नेगेटिव बैलेंस डेफिनेटली। 1 घंटे की आखिरी कैंडल है, 4 घंटे के ऊपर मस्त क्लोजिंग है। 40 मिनट्स हो गए हैं। फर्स्ट ड्रामेटिक मूव ये अपने आप दिखा चुका है। इतना ही मूव मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड था। 45 से 51 ले चुका है। 50-60 पिप मैंने बोला था, मैक्सिमली 56 तक आ सकता है। 56 के लिए आना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट रहेगा, इसीलिए आप अपना 54 के ऊपर बुक कर लीजिएगा अमाउंट ऑलमोस्ट, जिन्होंने लिया है। देखते हैं मिस्टर माम्बा इज लाइव व्हाट इज ड्यू। 4 घंटे के ऊपर भी भैया अपनी क्लोजिंग है। 4 घंटे के ऊपर ले सकता है थोड़ा सा बाउंस बैक ना, 54-56 तक आ सकता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। धीरे धीरे करके आ ही रहा है ऊपर। 45 से 50 का मूव तो काइंड ऑफ दिखा दिया है। किडनी रीस्टॉक्स इन हॉस्पिटल, क्या बात कर रहे हो? आरडी नेटवर्क्स। बायर्स ट्रैप, बायर्स को 50-60 पिप का मूव दे चुका है भैया, ट्रैप तो नहीं बोलेंगे। इट इज नॉट अ बायर ट्रैप। जो एंट्री इधर लेके बैठे हैं 47 पे, 48 पे, 30-40 पिप तो ले ही गए हैं। 3 लॉट बाय किया 3690। क्या भाई साहब जी, 90 से आपने बाइंग प्लान कर रखी है। गोल्ड नेक्स्ट वीक प्रेडिक्शन बनाऊंगी। I will definitely make a post market analysis next week. होल्ड है, मेरे को लग रहा है प्राइस होल्ड करेगा इस जोन में। ये मदर कैंडल बनेगी अपनी वीकली के लिए। कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है देवांश इधर के और इंडिया के प्राइस में, बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है। चलिए भैया, आपसे मिलेंगे मंडे को। The ones who took the entry already captured few pips, 30, 40, 50 whatever, जहाँ से भी आपने एंट्री बनाई है। मुझे एंट्री नहीं मिली, मेरे लिए स्टॉप लॉस बहुत बड़ा था। ठीक है, BTC बेरिश है, द गेमर ट्रेडर डेफिनेटली बेरिश है। एक राइज आ रहा है, उस राइज पे आप सेल कर सकते हैं। इथीरियम बेरिश है। गोल्ड का पोस्ट मार्केट आई विल अपडेट सून। ठीक है, संडे को एक बहुत बढ़िया सा मस्त सा व्लॉग लेकर आऊँगी तुम्हारे लिए अबाउट BTC, अबाउट दुबई। $39 बुक कर लिया है, ओके जी। $50 बुक कर लिया है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत सही है, बहुत सही है। 1:3 RR है पर विन रेट 20%। अब विन रेट इंक्रीज करो ना ऋषि, अपना सेटअप रिवाइज करो। सेटअप में कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हारे। ठीक है, हम चलते हैं, आपसे मिलेंगे मंडे को। सैटरडे संडे विल बी गुड फॉर यू गाइस, क्योंकि बढ़िया बढ़िया मैं रील्स लेकर आने वाली हूँ। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल एज यूट्यूब। बाय बाय।
Jesus, my Savior, my everything. Even here in the midnight silence, your love wraps around my fear. Every tear that falls like a confession, you whisper soft, child, I'm here. When the weight of the world tries to drown me, and my faith feels paper thin, you breathe a song through the shadows, and I find my strength again. Strength again. Every breath that fills my lungs, every song that I have sung, every mountain I have moved, every broken chain removed. They ask me how I made it through, but I know it was always you. It's all you. It's all grace. Your fingerprints on every place. all you. Every tear that dried at night, every moment turned to light, every almost I survived. You were there, you kept me alive. They asked me how I made it through, but I know it was always you. It's all you. It's all grace. Your fingerprints on every place. My miracle. It's got the peace I feel. It's all you. I won't claim what isn't mine. Every good thing came divine. It's all you. It's all grace. Your fingerprints on every place. My miracle. It's got the blue. The peace I feel. It's all you. The peace I feel. It's all you. The peace I feel. It's all you. Don't need no mansion on the hill. Don't need no rush, just time to feel the quiet peace of knowing you. That's where my every joy comes through. They chase the world, but I have found a higher love, a solid ground. You're all I need, you're all I crave, my quiet hope, my hiding place. No diamond shine, no golden ring could ever match the joy you bring. You feed my soul with sacred bread. You hold me up when hope feels dead. Your love a home. They chase the world, but I have found a higher love, a solid ground. You're all I need, you're all I crave, my quiet hope, my hiding place. No diamond shine, no golden ring could ever match the joy you bring. No need for more, no need to roam. With you, my heart is found its home. You're all I need, you're all I crave, my quiet hope, my hiding place. No diamond shine, no golden ring could ever
Looks like we can
match
hit the TP.
the joy you
That'll be quite a nice trade. Gold's been pretty slow. I mean, a bit of up and down on gold. I haven't done much on there because I've got the other trade, quite a big trade going on there.
I've walked through flames with blistered
life now.
feet, held on to faith when
it'll drop to
life
this level.
turned mean. The night was long, the road was rough, but still
I
your
think Continue
mercy
to rise today.
was enough. And when the voices told me quit, your voice said, child, don't forget I came through the fire. I'm still standing, bruised but breathing, grace expanding. He never left, not for a day. He walked me through.
Sorry, I didn't know there was music going on. So Bitcoin Ethereum, let's have a look. Look at the 4-hour chart. Bit choppy, right? 1-hour chart. Okay, it's bullish. Nah, it's a ranging market. I wouldn't even touch that, mate. That's out of the question. Long position. I wouldn't take a trade on here. I wouldn't take a trade. It's a ranging market. Yes, it could go long, but it could also drop to this level to get liquidity here. I wouldn't take. I would leave this alone. There's not a trade on there, buddy. And also gold, there's not much going on in gold. It's quite slow markets today. I mean, I have a trade going on already. I'm waiting for this to jump back up. Yeah, I'm hoping for a buy in gold. So Bitcoin is still bearish. But it could be a change in direction. We're seeing some buyers coming to the market. So Maurice, you could be right. This could be a change in direction here. And we're going to move our stop loss to secure some profits to here anyway. We've already secured some profits, but we're going to grab some more. And gold's looking like it's going down to this resistance area, but there's a lot of buyers here that are pushing it back up again. So this could range for quite a while. It could just consolidate, I reckon, in this area for a while. Yeah, so gold's quite boring yesterday and today. No, I said Bitcoin Ethereum, I wouldn't touch it, buddy. That's what I said to you, see, it could plummet, which it has. That's exactly what I said to you. I said I wouldn't have put a trade on here because it could go either way. You know, I said this could drop to this area to grab some liquidity from here, then jump up. So I'd probably be leaving this around. I'd leave this alone until you see confirmation on some kind of trend. No, wait for the Ethereum. You need to wait. Just wonder if this has enough energy to get down to my TP. We've already taken some profits anyway, and I've lowered my stop loss to here, just in case this does go up. So right now, go either way. So I'm kind of protecting some of my profits in there. And gold is just still consolidating down at that resistance line. So we're waiting for a bounce back from gold. So I am in a trade here. I've been in a trade since yesterday evening. So I entered this trade here yesterday evening, or yesterday afternoon at 4:20. We We hit the TP1, we hit the TP2, down, up, down. Let's hope it gets to the TP3. This was more of a longer trade. Normally I scalp, but as this one here yesterday was just so boring, just up and down, just stayed in this area. I just thought, you know what, just stay into this trade. So I've stayed in this trade. I've already secured lots of profits on this, so I'm good. And now I'm hoping for it to go upwards. So it looks like Bitcoin's got a bit of action going on. So we got more sellers in the market, and let's hope we can hit this TP. Because this TP is actually at the resistance line from here. A lot of touches here. So I'm hoping it can still get there. I have to wait and see on that one. Come on, we need a bit more of a push. A bit more of a push on Bitcoin. Looks like gold is going down a bit. Gold is now 36.46. I'm hoping it won't get down to 36.44. I'm hoping it will take a turn and go bullish again. So let's hope the Bitcoin drops to my TP, but then it would be this week, it would be then 27 wins, which is amazing. We've had a decent week, and these are all live trades as well. So you've seen me win and lose. I think transparency is good, right? You saw me lose one day. Oh, I had a bad day. When you have a bad day, it's hard to come back, but the next day was okay. Yesterday we had a good day. Today's also a good day. So I just want gold to bounce back up. Bitcoin right now is doing really, really well. Let's hope we can take this TP. We've already secured some profits. Gold is in this area here, which is trying to. I mean, I'm in a buy already. I was in a buy since yesterday afternoon. Just waiting. We've already hit the TP1 and TP2. TP1 was already hit, and TP2 was already hit. So that was hit, and TP1, that was hit last night. So now we're really waiting for a bounce back up. I don't want this to go down any further. I mean, I'm really hoping that gold will bounce off this area of resistance or support. It's resistance to come down, but support to push it up. So you could say either way, I guess. And Bitcoin is still going down, which is obviously lovely. and we're hoping to hit that TP. If we don't, it's fine. It's already secured some profit, so we won that trade. I'm just wondering if this is going to take a bounce off this area here. This has got multiple hits, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's all a waiting game, isn't it? Definitely wants to sell. Definitely wants to sell. How far is it going to go down? Obviously this is on a long trade for me. This isn't a scalp. I put this trade on yesterday. So this is more of a swing trade. Just wondering how strong this area is. This can push this back up or not, or if it's going to plummet straight through. There's clearly sellers in the market, but there's clearly buyers also. Bitcoin's still there, still trying to hit that TP. Looks like gold grabs some liquidity. There's some buyers there. There's some limit orders, I think. Alright, come on, let's hit this TP. Looks like gold has risen a little bit. So, oh. So there would have been some limit orders here to push this buy back up. Let's hope it continues to go up. Yeah, quite a lot of buyers in this area. They just push this right up again. Well, let's hope this is the start of a bullish trend again. Because we've been here within my TP1 and TP2, been bouncing up and down, up and down. Let's hope that this is continuing up to the TP3 at the top. That would be lovely. I've had this trade on since yesterday afternoon. But there's definitely some opportunities to scalp when we had the bearish trend here. And then Bitcoin, we've got that coin. Let's check the Bitcoin. We got it. Looks like this is going to have some form of a pullback here. So this could come back to my stop loss, which I've already secured some profits here, so I'm not too fussed about. So I'm more interested in gold really to see if this this continues to rise, which I really hope it does. It's been toying around this area for a long time. Yesterday was the same though. Yesterday it was just, for so long it was consolidating. In the end I just decided to go to bed. Left it running. And that was quite nice. Left it running, went up and hit my TP2. So I think I left it around about here. I got so bored. I didn't see these moves to come, and I didn't see those moves. I was sleeping. It's lovely when you're making money when you're sleeping, right? So yeah, gold's not doing too much. I was hoping it would give us a bit there. Okay, let's get some serious pushes here. Right, let's check on Bitcoin and see if that's still coming up. No, it's turned around. So let's hope that this will turn bearish and hopefully hitting my TP. Alright, let's continue with this bullish motion. Let's continue. Well, I'm hoping that I won't keep this trade. I will not keep this trade over the weekend. So I'm going to be looking closely. It's already 2 o'clock. I'll be looking closely to see if it gets up to. If it got up to here, I'd probably take it. Take the winnings. With a bit of luck, it will continue to be bullish. I mean, it's been up and down today. When was this? God. Yeah, so starting from the London high, we would have been down here somewhere. Then we jumped right up there in the morning in London, back down. Let's hope we kick it right back up again. Bitcoin again is turned bearish, so I am hoping for this to be able to touch my TP. Come on, gold. Let's get some momentum in this. I'm trying to gain a little bit more volume, a bit more power, because right now it's just like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's boring, right? We want to see some power in the gold. I do believe it will go bullish. And there's no high impact news at all today. So how's silver doing then? Silver's kind of the same. So we got a double top there. Okay, there is this area of resistance here, and I knew that there would be. As you can see, there's multiple touches. 1, 2, 3. So if you can get through this and get down to my TP, then I think we will see a jump back up to a buy. So I do believe that this will be a buy, but I'm hoping that this is kind of what I think is going to happen here. This is obviously coming down it here. Hopefully it will touch the TP. I reckon it's going to have a little bit of a pullback back to this line, and then I think it will jump back up. That's what I think is going to happen for Bitcoin. Oh shit, that was a big move. Look at that. We do so much work with gold and then it plummets down. There's clearly still a lot of sellers that want to push this down so badly, don't they?
You right, just
Ooh, wow. That's a humongous reaction. Blimey. We were here before. There's clearly buyers in this area. But how low this is going to go, I wonder. Could be a break in structure here. This goes down any further. Yeah, it's nearly hitting my stop loss there. Wow. Cool. Let's have a look at Black Sky. Yeah, right now you're in the middle of a stream. I probably wouldn't touch Ether until you see some kind of reaction. Lovely sales going on. But they're in the middle of full swing. I wouldn't go in there until you see the pullback. Just kind of keeping an eye on my gold trade to see if that does bounce back. Yeah, there's clearly buyers. There's limit buyers down here. There's a lot of buyers waiting here. It's happened twice now with some really big kickbacks to the upside. So I don't know how strong the sellers are, if they can actually push it through there. I don't think they're as strong as the buyers. Once we can see a close above this line here, then I think gold's probably going to shoot up. But if we don't see that close, then the potential of going down are probably quite high. But gold has been so unpredictable this week, it's anyone's game, isn't it? It's mad. Sellers are really pushing it down. And Bitcoin it's got a big reaction here. So the chances of this going back up are quite high. So there's a potential buy here on Bitcoin. So very, very close to the take profit on the Bitcoin. And that was a nice little quick entry for me and a quick scalp. Ooh, here we go. This is what we're waiting for on gold. There we go. Keep on going. Let's hope we stay up there. Hope the buyers are strong enough to keep it up that way. Continue to push. I'd love to hit my profit by the end of the night. That'd be awesome. So it looks like this is having a retracement back. Wow, that's a massive candle, guys. That's a beauty, that one. If anybody had a buy from the bottom here, nice. I hope this is just the start for this to just go. Been in this trade since yesterday afternoon. This is where I entered the trade. Hit the TP1. Hit the TP2. So I'm hoping that I've been patient enough that we'll go and hit the TP3 as well. Hope they're strong enough. Hope they can continue this bullish motion. That is a humongous candle, blimey. Mental. Alright, come on, balls, let's push it up. Let's continue this power. This volume was great on the last candle. Let's continue with that. I hope he doesn't come and fill that entire candle again, because that was some real good work coming up so fast and so hard. That's always the worry. You get a massive candle, engulfing candle like this, and then the next candle comes straight back down. Let's just hope the bulls are strong enough to push this up. Come on, guys. Let's see what's happening with that Bitcoin. Is that on the way up or has it popped down? Hey, we're getting closer. So looks like gold's still got a lot of power. The sellers are trying to get in there, you can see, rather than pushing it back down again. And it looks like Bitcoin is close to taking the profit, very close to taking the profit, and there we go. So we have now taken the profit on Bitcoin, which is great, and I do believe now that the Bitcoin will be coming up, but that you need confirmation before that actually happens. But yeah, fantastic. So we are now another trade just won. So we're now 27 wins, guys. Excellent, excellent. 27 wins. Brilliant. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Yep, it looks like we are reversing, potentially. Potentially, this could be a reversal. This could be a retracement, but there's no confirmation just yet for me. That's not enough confirmation for me to tell you this is going to go bullish. So no, I wouldn't place a trade just yet until we can get that confirmation that this is going up back to the upside. So I'd sit tight on that one right now. So let's hope that gold is continuing and that isn't just a little bit of up and then we're coming down. I hope that this continues to go bullish. On the 1 minute chart, it tells me that this could potentially become bearish again. It's not what I want. I'm hoping this can continue to be bullish. I really want to hit that TP3 before the close of day today. So hopefully we don't see a pullback. I would like to see this continue past this high. I want to see it close above this high. If we can try and get up there, close above there, we may see that hit the TP3. It's been a long trade since yesterday afternoon. Come on, let's fight. Come on, bulls, let's push this up. Let's push this up. I'd love to see the bulls in control a bit more, a bit more. I really want to see the close above this candle. I don't know if they're strong enough right now. God, the 1 minute does your head in, doesn't it? So yeah, today actually we haven't seen a loss. Today's been just winners. Been a good day. Yesterday was a good day as well. Today's a good day. We've only had 2 bad-ish days this week, which is a good thing, even though the market was so choppy. Gold was very difficult to play. I mean, the predictions sometimes were, most of the time was right, but sometimes we got them wrong. So let's have a look at it. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yeah, still right now I'd be thinking about putting a buy on. I'll be getting ready to put a buy on, but there's nothing confirmed yet. That was a decent sized candle telling us that there is definitely buyers in the market, and I'd be ready to put a buy on here. So if you're looking to put a buy on, you could probably think about doing that. The one thing to worry about though, you've got a lot of fair value gap candles here. You've got a massive one here, and so this will want to come down to even out the market. It will want to even the market out, so there's a potential this could go down. I would wait. I'd wait for confirmation on that. Let's hope this gold can continue to go high. So we've been in this trade since yesterday afternoon, and we're looking to try and hit that TP3 before end of day today. So it'd be lovely to try and get this in the bank. That would be nice. Still a long way to go on gold. But I think there's definitely a possibility of us getting there. We have been very patient. Entered the trade here yesterday afternoon, and we've waited and waited and waited. So hopefully this has enough power that we can get above there. We have to wait and see. Looking like lovely candles. Let's continue. Let's continue. What was I? Come on. Let's continue. Let's continue. There should be enough. Volume in there to get above this last high. Come on, let's push this. Let's push this up. It's still bullish. It's still bullish. You can see the sellers are definitely trying to push it down, and there will be sellers around about this area. So let's see if the buyers are strong enough to get through this area right here. I don't really want to wait for this to come back down again and then to go back up. Come on, buyers, let's push this. Are they strong enough to continue with this? There's a potential for this now to turn around. Yeah, the same kind of formation here. Let's hope for these green candles continue. So still waiting. Waiting. Definitely good reactions from the bulls. They're in control right now, but the sellers are still there. I think there's a lot of sell orders up here. There's quite a lot of resistance to get through. Let's hope the bulls are strong enough. This has been a long trade, guys. This wasn't even a scalp. This is more of a swing trade because we entered over here. It's crazy. Since yesterday, 420, we entered. So nearly a day later. So we're touching on the TP2 again. The highest we've got on this so far is here. So I'd love to see it above this here. Show me the bulls have more volume. So let's continue. Let's continue. Hey, Singh. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, I wasn't really trading this morning. So the last couple of trades we've won. We just won the Bitcoin, which was nice. The last Bitcoin, we took this. Yeah, we took this all the way down. I'm waiting for that pullback up to here. Back again, I think this will kick back up. So we just won that trade a minute ago. This gold trade we've actually had on since yesterday. Yesterday, that's when I entered the trade. And I've sat on this trade the whole time, yesterday as well. Now we're coming again back up to the TP2. I think we won another quick scalp in gold earlier as well. So yeah, we won a few trades today. Come on, I want to see more volume. Thanks for the compliment, Singh. I appreciate that, buddy. Come on, I want to see this get past this area here. Because there's going to be some sellers sitting on this. They're going to be waiting. It's pushed it down twice from my TP2. Twice it's pushed it down. I want to see this stronger this time to get above this. I want to be closing around about here. If we close here, then we should be able to hit our TP3. But I'd love to see a bit more volume from the bulls. Because it looks like the sellers again are coming in. They're coming quite powerful on that last candle. So we'll see the reaction of the bulls if they're strong enough to keep this pushed up or not. I don't want to see them push it down one more time. It's frustrating. You know, I hit the TP2 again and it bounced. A massive reaction off there where that was. So there's obviously a lot of sellers in this area. And they're quite strong as well. And they've pushed it right back down again. We could try and get a bit more volume from the buyers. Come on, guys. Let's push this up. Show these sellers that you're stronger. It'd be nice to hit this profit at the top there. That would be a nice little bit of profit. So right now we're 720 or 700 now. It's going down 700 in the profit. So I'm hoping to bring this back up. Last time I bit going up and down in the zone. It might be that I'll take this soon because it can't see go above this area. And I won't keep this trade over the weekend. So I'm contemplating taking before the market's closed right now. And I'll probably stay in a little longer to be honest with you. It's only 240. So I'll stay in this for a little bit longer. So look at Bitcoin up real quick. Yep, my predictions were, I don't know, Black Sky, if you put the buy on or not. Did you put the buy on? Because I did say it was going to buy it, right candle. I'm hoping that you put that buy on and caught this little journey upwards. This will probably come back to retest here. And then if you've missed this area here, you might be able to whack another buy on over there. Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin now coming up. I think it will come to about this area, maybe here, somewhere there. I think it will bounce back. It will retest this area and I think it will be again. That is my predictions there on Bitcoin, the 2 Bitcoin retrade. Yep, as predicted, this is coming back down again. It wasn't strong enough to hold this level, so now it's coming back down. There's still a lot of buyers in the game, no? Still a lot of buyers there. And I'll probably come in for a quick little scalp here in a minute. This is a long-term trade, this one. Because I do think it will get to this area. So I'm just leaving this one on. I mean, I could take the winnings now, and then make more scalping. I don't make that much when I do swing trading, because it always goes up and down in the zone. So when I scalp, I'll make more money. Hey Maurice, yeah, I saw that coming. I knew it'd bounce off this top area here. It's done it twice before, and as you guys know, the market repeats itself. There's obviously a lot of sell orders up. Here, but this will probably come back down again to retest this line, and then it'll probably go up. As predicted, this was a buy. It's coming down to retest the area. Bitcoin USD is hit my TP. Hit my take profit as I'd predicted, and now I think this will come up. It'll come back down for a retest, and then it will go up. Saying I have a few accounts. On this one here, it's 100k. I have a few other accounts. That's why I look at different screens, because I trade with other accounts as well. Well, it's a bit more than 100k because I've obviously won. So yeah, it goes up and down, you know. Some weeks is great weeks, you know. Other weeks you lose. But it's generally always over 100k. Okay, so the buyers are still there. They're still trying. It's good to see, right? It's good to see. Because at some stage that is going up. Let's see if this can get above. I really don't want to keep this trade so long. Been in this trade a long time. Come on, let's push this up. So this week has been a decent week. Started on Monday. And then now we have 27 winners and 9 losers. Yeah, it's been a good week. Had a couple of days though that, you know, we lost a few. But overall we've won. So if you can win more than you lose, then happy days. Then we're all going to eat steak on the weekend. Filet mignon. No, I haven't read that book. I know the book. I haven't read it. I'm not really a reader. I don't like reading too much. I'd rather get the audio, having a long drive or something, and put the CD in, or put your, you know, your phone to the stereo system, and listen to it. But I don't have the time to just sit down and read a book. I'd rather be trading. Even if I'm on holiday, you know, if I'm sitting on the beach or something, I'll still trade. I love it. Yeah, I'll be going to Thailand probably next month for a holiday. And I might, I know 100% I'll be trading on the beach. Right, come on, Bulls. Let's get bullish again. I really don't want this to go down. If I'd have counted the TPs I got this week, it'd be ridiculous. I'd have what, 50, 60 wins? But now I count it as the trade, you know? So to me, one trade is one trade. If I had, I had multiple trades on the same trade as you saw the other day, but to me, it's still that's the same kind of trade. I just lower lots, big stop loss, but it's still the same thing really. So I just count it as one. I don't want to cheat. There's no point. When you guys know that I've won trades, you've been with me. It's all been live, right? There's no point trying to beat up, I guess. As long as I won more than I lost, I'm a winner. Then again, if you think about it, right? Let's give you an example. If you had 10 trades, okay? Right, if you had 10 trades and you're going on a 2-to-1 ratio, so risk reward is 2-to-1, right? And I lose 6 of those trades and I win 4, I'm still in profit. You guys understand that, right? I'm not pissed off if I lost 6 and won 4, but the logic behind it is if your risk to reward is 2-to-1, you're still winning. So if you are in that situation, don't be hard on yourself, you know? Because you're going to lose. Like the other day, I had 8 wins and 4 losses, yeah? That's a bad day for me. I was upset. It was not a good day. So it gets a time when I first started out, like, I'll win 3 and I'll lose 8 when I first started out. But now it gets to the point where I understand the market, I can see the market, I can feel the waves coming, and then I put the trade on. Most of the time, it comes in trumps, which is good. You can live stream in Thailand, at the beach. Yeah, I want to. I think I would do. If I can live stream from my phone, but I don't think I can live stream from my phone and still have my charts. So that's why I want to get my Telegram channel set up, so I can still get the signals while sitting on the beach, and I can do videos. So yeah, something like that anyway. So is anybody here from England? Let me know below if you're from England. I think you are, because you mentioned pound. So maybe you're from England too. Okay, so I want to see this area above this, on this bush. I want to see close up here. This is what I want to see. This is the area of concern for me. Is this area here. I want to see close above it. If I can see close above that area, I'm going to be a happy man. So this trade is going lovely right now. But we're on a close line. So we're at 870 pound in profit on this, which is what, about $1,100. Let's hope we can get that close. Alright, come on. Let's see that close above that. Change that colour, it's confusing. Let's put that there. We want to close above that line. If I see a close above that line, then we're in better shape to potentially get to the TP3. This would have been a great area to put on a buy. I hope some of you did, because obviously you knew I was waiting for this to go up anyway, and it did. Oh yeah, I was going to look at the other one, wasn't I? As I said as well, this one's come down to retest, and I think this will shoot back up again. Right, Bitcoin now. Bitcoin has come down like I predicted. This is here. I'm thinking it might bounce around about this area. I think if I want them to, I'll be placing those trades on those two as well. So this is still good. We need that close above this line, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, more power to you, bulls. More power. It's nearly there. It's close. It's close. God, I didn't sleep well last night. So I'm probably going to go out and get a better microphone, because I heard that my microphone's not very good. One that I can bring to me, you know. So I'm looking around for a decent mic right now, because I want to carry on doing these live streams with you guys. Tell you what would be lovely, if I could do the live stream from the beach. That would be kind of cool. Now, I might even rent out a villa when I'm there. I mean, you can get villas. It's just ridiculously cheap. I think you can get a villa for about £200 a night or £150 a night or something. That's a whole villa, like a 3-bedroom villa with a private pool. I mean, here in London, you get a bloody... You wouldn't even get a hotel room for £100 a night. You would, but it'll be in a shitty part of town. Thailand's like super cheap, man. Everything's cheap out there. Come on, babies, let's get up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get above that line and close for me, please. Alright, we're still bouncing there. So I wanted to see... This was coming down. I want to see it to there, to there. I want to see it to there again, and then I want to see us back. Actually, very, very similar. No, actually, no. Scrub this. No. This is the one I was looking at, potentially. Over here, this could plummet all the way down. We've got some fair value gap here that needs to be... We need to fill this to even out the market. So these fair value gap here, this could potentially come all the way to this area and then bounce. So this could, we need to see what it does. So this could potentially go down to this area and then back up. That could be, that's a potential there. Ooh. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. Damn. Let's get the close above there. Hopefully it doesn't come straight down. That's beautiful. Right, let's continue this. Let's get to this profit. Been in this trade since yesterday afternoon. As you see, I came in this trade right here. You see the buy. There's the buy. I came into this trade right here. Was messing about, hit the TP1, came back down. Sorry, hit the TP1 here quite early. TP2 yesterday, middle of the night. TP2 again today. So we need this to push up. I need more buyers in there, and I want to see this continue to the upside. These are our all-time highs, and they're much higher. So we've got lots of room to grow. And this could potentially come on the way. Our next area of resistance will be here. So this is the next area of resistance, guys. So does it have enough power to get through this? Let's hope so. This is fun, right? How you doing, Singh? Are you in a trade right now, buddy? Ooh, come on, baby. Let's give it some more action. Push that up through this resistance, that line, straight to me. Straight to my take profit. Come on. Now, if you guys like this, please like my videos. I'm trying to get likes, trying to get more subscribers in here. We're trying to grow this channel. And it's great that you guys are talking about different things of just trading, because that gets boring, man. Have some other conversations. Talk about golf. Fishing. I don't give a shit. So let me know who's in a trade. If anyone's in this buy trade with me. And Maurice saw me take this trade from yesterday, from last night. Maurice was here with me. I don't know if you took on that trade, Maurice. If you did, you'll be where I am now. Hopefully you did. So we're up to £1,000 now, which is cool. £1,000 from this one trade, which is brilliant. Love it. And I'm trying to hope that this hits the TP3. Come on, get to my TP3. Let's have a look at the other Bitcoins, which I was waiting for. See what this is doing. Right, I want to see. I want to see how this trade pans out. If this comes down to fill these fair value gaps and then bounces up, or if this bounces straight off this. It shouldn't bounce off here. It should come down. So to be honest with you, it'd be quite good to put a sell on here. I'm thinking about putting a sell on. So we came down, we broke the structure. We came up for a retest and we're coming down. I'm going to put a sell onto this one here, I think. Put it at 0.3, yeah? We're going to do a sell, and then this is a short. My stop loss will be there, and I want my take profit here. And we're going to put our take profit around about there. So just a quick scalperoo, and let's see if this one pans out. This is what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that this will come down to fill these fair value gaps to even the market out. So we're in another trade, guys. We are in another trade. Let's have a look at how gold is doing. Oh, it's not what we wanted, right? That is not what we wanted. Let's recover. Let's recover. Hasn't even hit the area of resistance yet. Come on. Let's recover from this. The resistance is there. I guess it starts there, but the majority of it is here. Come on. Let's keep on going up, guys. Let's keep on going up. I really don't want to see this come down now. This would be quite frustrating. Come on. Let's see this green. Come on, Bulls, let's get in there. Let's get back in the game. Don't let the bears in. Oh, Oh dear. Yeah, I was hoping that wouldn't happen. I was hoping it would hit that TP3 before it went down. I hope it doesn't go down too far. We've been waiting for this trade for ages. So let's have a look at the other trades, see how we're doing. This one is doing nice. Don't bounce off there. Let's hope this continues down. I want it to be able to hit. Why is that bouncing so hard off there then, I wonder? You know, we've got a bit of resistance here, but not much. It should be coming down to balance the market out. That's why I have my take profit around about there. It's got to balance this market out, surely, to fill those fair value gaps. What are we thinking, guys? Who put this trade on with the Bitcoin? Bitcoin, Ethereum, who put this Bitcoin in with me? It's quite a narrow stop loss as well, so won't lose too much. Still coming down. It's a shame. It's a shame. I was hoping that would go up and hit the TP3. It could still. Just how far it's going to come down. I think it should only come down to here, and we can hopefully use this area as support. Before it was resistance. We just about got through it. I'm hoping it will use this area here as support, bounce back up, and take the profit quickly. That's what we're hoping for, right? What's he doing? Alright, so he's going down as well. Let's hope we can get past this area right here. So we'll move our stop loss up to at least the take profit 1, so we can at least bank 371. If it comes all the way, if it tanks all the way down, at least I get 371, right? Plus what I've already taken. Let's see how we're doing. Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, this one's going down. No, don't bounce off there. Let's see this get past this area of resistance. If we can close there, then we should be okay. Alright, so that one's doing okay. Yeah, that's falling. It's a shame it didn't go just a bit further, right? So we'll wait for this area here. Hopefully this area will act as, if this doesn't act as a support, this area should. So this area should. So we'll keep an eye on both. Keep an eye on both. And this trade is doing nicely. Let's put our TP1. Put our TP1 about here. TP1, and then we just do a TP2. See if it goes all the way, yeah? As it's a small trade. Oh, don't go back up. Don't change your mind. Don't change your mind. Come back down. There we go. Thank you. Come on. I don't know if Black Sky is here. Black Sky, you was asking me about Ethereum. I wonder if you put the same trade on with me. Alright, gold. Alright, bit of a reaction there. So off this little area of resistance, like I said, hopefully we can bounce to the top. Alright, let's carry on, guys. Let's carry on. Ah, come on. Don't be coming back into a buy. That's not far enough down. Yeah, there's a bit of an area of resistance there. But I thought I'd have enough because it needs to balance out this market, like I said. From these fair value gaps. This has to come down to balance the market out, otherwise it's not balanced. Alright, come on. Let's go, let's go. All right, cool. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, let's hit this TP. Let's hit this TP. We've got to balance this market back out. Come on, baby. This was a good entry, so let's go. Let's hit this TP1. Come on. A little bit further down for me. Secure some profits. And I bring the stop loss down as well. If we hit the TP1 and then we close. If we hit the TP1, it's fine, but I want to see a candle close, then I'll bring the stop loss down. So we've got one more minute. Come on, big push here. Big push. Didn't close below. Bit of a pain. How's the little gold doing? So we're getting a big reaction off this area of resistance here, and I think that this will push this. This one should push this back up to my TP. Come on. Let's bounce off this. Let's bounce and let's go to the upside. Like I said, if it doesn't bounce from this area here, then the next area of defense is here. So hopefully this will bounce from either this area or this area. I'm hoping it'll bounce now, to be honest with you. Get this trade. Finish this trade. We've been in it since yesterday afternoon. So we've been, for a whole day we've been in this trade. Let's see how this is doing. This is still doing good. Are we going to hit the TP1? Come on, let's hit that TP1. Come on, a bit more power. Look at these fair value gaps. We have to get rid of them. So I said that a little bit of area here of concern, but then we still got a massive fair value gap that we've just cleared, and we got some here and we got some big here. So I am hoping that it will draw it to this. Oh, gold's taken a plummet down. So we are at the area of hopefully support in gold. As you can see, it's just taken a tanking down. But this area could be act as support for it. And also here, here. Come on, let's bounce back. Let's bounce back. Let's take a big bounce back. There's got to be buyers at this area to push this back to the top side. Come on. Bitcoin. Black Sky, I've been talking about it. Where have you been? I did enter a trade here. It was going nicely with me. But then it hit that area, which I told you could be a little bit of a problem. Just this area here. And it's hit that area and it has bounced back. So I'm hoping to recover on the Bitcoin Ethereum, because it needs to fill all these fair value gaps to balance the market back out. So I'm not sure why it bounced so fast or so hard here, but we're hoping that this can come down, at least to hit the TP1, which was so close, so I can secure some profits, win the trade. So I'm really hoping that the sellers are strong enough to push this down. If not, this will go straight to the high side. Ooh, look at this. This is not good. Come on. Don't let it go all the way down. I can't be bothered to wait again. I really hope this area is strong enough. So you get areas here of support. It hasn't closed yet, but this area as well may give that a kick back up. So let's hope that the buyers have come back into control. Hey Keisha, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you in the room again. We've had a really good day today. A really good day. Looks like Bitcoin's kind of bounced back in the direction for us. We were beautiful downtrend here, so going down. Hit this tiny bit of resist here, and it's bounced back up, and these sellers aren't strong enough. So let's hope that they've got enough in the bag to push this back down. Keep an eye on that trade. But I really want to see gold push back up. Been on this in this trade since yesterday at 420, and I kept this trade on overnight, which I don't normally do. I'm normally in and out of the market quick, but this one, it just wasn't moving, and so I think I was in a little bit of drawdown, not much, maybe £100. I thought, you know what, I'll sit this one out, and then it got to bedtime. I was like, I'll just leave it. And so I've left it all day. It said to take one, it said to take two twice. 3 times it's had to take. I think TP3 yeah, we put it on here, and I hit the TP1 there, hit the TP2 3 times. 3 times it's hit the TP2, really close to TP3. So let's hope that the buyers come back in the market and push me back up again. Okay, come on Bitcoin. Let's push this back down again. Let's push this back down for me. Yeah, we haven't lost the trade today. And so I'm hoping for an all-win day today, which would be amazing. I haven't taken a lot of trades though today, I must say. I've only taken, what, 3? I think 3 trades? Just that because I've got quite a lot on this one trade. I've got 60 units on this one. Right now we're at £800 in profit on this trade, but I'm really hoping this can push the TP profit and get nearly 1,200. Let's hope that this is going up again, right? So come on buyers, we want to see you stay strong. All right, beautiful. Beautiful red candles just come down again. So oh, it looks like we've already hit the TP1 as well. The TP1 is hit. So let's secure this. TP1 is hit. Beautiful. So, again, another win. This is pretty damn cool. Good day today, right? See, Black Sky, if you had stayed with me and not went to sleep, you'd have hit your TP1 as well. Let's hope that this will go. It's a long way to go to TP2, but I'm not really that fast. This is just a quick in and out, I thought. Gold shot up. Let's have a look at gold. Gold's just shot up. There we go. Okay, let's hopefully this is another push to the upside. Come on. Let's push this up. Let's hit this TP3. This would be amazing if I could hit this now. Been waiting for so long. Come on, baby. Hit this TP3 this time. Try it here. Like I said, there's a lot of resistance on this area right there. So to push it back down, it might even come back and retest and come back down again. Let's hope not, right? Hope there's enough power in the market. All right, come on. Let's go. We haven't got far to go. How's my little Bitcoin baby doing? Oh, it's coming up. Looks like it will hit my stop loss. Maybe. I was definitely thinking though this will come all the way down because there's so much fair value gap here that needs to fill it. But there's a bit of resistance on this line. Okay, gold is it's bouncing off the top again. It's bouncing off that resistance area a little bit. I need this to get above this. Come on, let's plow it up. Let's get those buyers in here. So we're at £1,050 right now in profit. Come on, we got a bit more to go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let me see you hit this TP3. I need some power here, boys. See, it has some reactions here, and that's what pushed it all the way down. So there's going to be some seller limit orders right there. Sellers waiting. Just hoping it has enough to push it, even with a wick, just to give me that take profit. And then I'll be in this trade for a whole day. Come on. Come on now. This would be a nice win. I've got the take profit of £1,194. I think that's probably about $1,500, $1,600, something like that. That'd be a nice win. But we've won a lot of trades today already, and we haven't lost any trades. What's Bitcoin is still? Yeah, he's still going up. He's still going up. It's having problems here though. It might bounce back down again. Right, come on. And it is having some problems here. There's definitely some serious resistance in this area. It's going to take some power to get through this. The buyers need to get in here to push this up harder. A lot of people are seeing resistance here and they're putting sells on. So it's pushing the market right back down again. But a lot of other people still want the all-time highs. So they'll continue to buy. Ugh. Come on, let's go. Alright, come on. Alright. Bulls, push, push, push. Don't retrace back all the way. I really hope the sellers don't come back in so hard. Would be nice to see if this can hit I may do a video about this one trade if it hits the TP3, just a video with the replays back, because it's quite a nice trade to watch. Understanding the fundamentals of the market really by the way it goes up and down so much. And I think a lot of people could learn from this trade, because I've been in it for one whole day, which I don't normally, but all the way since here. So it's quite a roller coaster trade really. Thinking you're gonna lose, then it comes back up, back, and now we're right at the top. So let's hope that this hits the TP3. We're very, very close, guys. So I'm at £1,113. So there's only 70 more pounds to go before I can get my TP. Come on, let's push this up there. Don't come down now. You know, a lot of people would actually bottle it. They'd see this resistance and they'd go, take. You can do that if you want to. It's completely up to you. It's your money. I've been waiting long enough. I've been waiting a day in this trade since yesterday. So let's just wait. Wait to hit. I don't think it's going to come all the way down. Even if it does, I still win £371. I'm happy with either. Be nice to take the 1,200. Oh, again, bounces off this resistance area. It's pretty strong up there too. There's going to be some limit orders. We're still in this trade. Well, we won this trade anyway. There's your TP1. It hit the TP1. This was my entry. So my stop loss is right there. And my break even. Okay. It's a fun trade to watch. I've got to make a phone call. So it's bouncing off this again. So we got down. I just want to finish this trade. So this one's still going. It's in this little zone area now. Let's hope that this continues to the downside. It would be nice to see. And I don't want this to go all the way down here again. I would love to see this now go all the way up to TP3, sorry. Come on, hopefully we went down here to grab some liquidity to then push this bad boy up. He's having a lot of trouble with that this resistance area, but he's definitely trying. Definitely trying, isn't he? Come on, this time, get up there. Let's go. Push it as hard as you can. We're close again, guys. We're close. Come on, baby. Come on, this is the area it didn't get past last time. Let's see if we got enough power to get past this. And gradually. Yeah, it's definitely having some problems getting past this. Come on, push it up. Man, it's so close, right? I bet you guys are thinking, why doesn't it just take the profit? Because I'm, what, £1,100 in profit. Because that's what my stop loss is. My take profit is there for a reason. And the reason is I believe it could get to this high. This is an area of massive resistance here. It's having a lot of trouble getting past it. He's not doing nothing, still staying the same. Okay, come on, let's see some power, and let's see me take this take profit 3. It would be lovely. Come on, guys, push. God, that was nice. As I said, push, it did. Great timing. I loved it if it would have hit the TP3 when I did that. Come on, we're nearly there. We are nearly there, guys. Up, 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 up. Let's push this. We need some hard pushes now. I think it will get there. Been waiting long enough. Come on now. Come on now. There's a massive area of resistance right here. It's going to have to grab some liquidity. That's something that we're enough power to get through. This is the area, that's a lot. There's a long time in consolidation. As you see the wicks here, they keep pushing them. Every time it goes up, it pushes it down. Every time it pushes it down. So it needs to come down to grab some more liquidity. I wouldn't be surprised if we've got a massive red candle down to about here, grabs liquidity and comes back up and takes the profit. Wow, this is what I drew out earlier. I said it's going to turn, so bang on if it's up or down. This could potentially go up, not down, actually. So I want to see. It could go this way or it could go that way. Either way. Okay, this one is going upwards. It's fine, fine. Oh, yeah. So, I think this is going to the downside. So if this was me, I'm going to put a little sell on because I've got quite a good feeling about that. We're going to put a stop loss here in that area of demand, and then we'll put our confirm. Oh, put there, confirm it. Take profit there, confirm it. So another trade on here. TP1. TP2. TP3. So we will see how this one goes. This is on Bitcoin. I've got it for a sell. And let's see how the little gold is doing. So it's bouncing off, it's rejecting this here. So it's hopefully going to continue up to the upside. And then I get my TP3. Still in the same place. What's going on now? Alrighty. So that's cool. Look, we have hit a TP1. Beaut. So TP1 hit. TP1 hit, guys. Boom. Let's change this. Yet another win. Another win. 29 wins, guys. I hope you're on the same trade. Let's reduce our risk. It's now a risk-free trade. It's a risk-free trade. And we have hit a TP1 already. Very quick scalp. Very quick scalp. So we have won that trade as well. We have not lost a trade today, guys. I just want to get this damn gold closed. I want to take the profit on this gold. Oof. Got pretty close to the TP2 as well, didn't it? Beautiful. One trade. Break even set. Nearly TP2, look at this, push push. Black Sky, I hope you've seen this. I hope you took that trade. I know you love Bitcoin. I was playing Bitcoin a bit today. We won 2 or 3 trades on Bitcoin. So we're ready to hit TP2, which I think it should hit in a second. I'm hoping that should power down to number 2. Come on. Come on, let's go. We've already won this trade. I'd like to hit the TP2 if I can. Who took that trade with me? Who took the trade with me? Were you quick enough to enter? I had the feeling I saw the price action. It told me to sell. What I saw, guys, was this. I saw price action pushing it down. Price action pushing it down and the confirmation candle here. This red one here. So I got in the trade. And we had the big candle down. We hit the TP1 straight away. And set the trade. Oh. We need to set this at break even. Oh. Why? Okay, good. So yeah, it's free trade. Break even is the stop losses at break even. So even if it does hit there, the trade has been won. It's like gold has gone up a little bit further. Oh, look how close that was to hit the bloody take profit. Come on, baby. So close to hit TP3. I hit this TP3. Come on. Now, let's see this happen. Been waiting one whole day for this. We waited a day for that should have taken it. There it is. Yes. TP3, guys. Wow. Waited a whole day for that trade. Incredible, man. What a win. That was a £1,200 win. So what was it? $1,600? Beauty. What a beauty. What a trade. Wow. What a trade. That is nuts, right?